Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Many times, every now and then, students ask me that they want to change and they don't want to live in the way how they are living. So every day there will be some question or the other about the change. And we know change is inevitable. Change is inevitable. And if you have decided to change, yes, you can. I will give you some points where and how and when you can change. First thing is, you can change only when you are having the self-belief that you can change. Otherwise, some people say that, no, I am born in such a poor family, how I can change? Or I am so and so. So first thing is belief, that is self-belief. Whether others believe you or not, you should believe yourself. Now, self-belief means what you should do. You should be confident enough that you can do that. You can change yourself. And if you read the biographies of great people, you will understand that they were born poor, but they had decided they will not die poor. They died as rich. Or whatever it is, whether I am from the village, whether I am tall, whether I am short, nothing comes in the way. It is only if I believe that I can change myself, then only I can change. The next is you should be optimistic. Optimistic means you should tell your mind, yes, I can do it. For example, there is a big mountain. You are standing right in front of it. You have one part of the brain tells you can't climb it. You can't walk even 2 miles. So how you will climb it? Whereas the other part of your brain tells, yes, you can. There is no word impossible in this world. You can do it. So this is how and whom you should believe. You should believe the positive thinking. So be optimistic throughout your life. Next is hard work. See, there is no shortcut for hard work. Without hard work, we can't achieve anything. Even if you want good food, somebody has to cook it. So, there is no shortcut. Don't go for any shortcuts. And you know that shortcuts are always dangerous. Next comes laziness. If whoever prevents us from growing, it is our own self. It is our laziness. So you should be able to say no to laziness. Tell laziness, there is no place for you in my house or in my mind. Don't come near me. And another thing is, whatever you think of doing tomorrow, do it today itself. What you are going to do after some time, do it now itself. Then your laziness goes. And many times, laziness changes you into a helpless, poor, hopeless person. So remember, laziness is my enemy. If you are having any enemy in this world, the greatest enemy is your laziness, nobody else. For example, early in the morning, you think of getting up at 6 o'clock and studying. Alarm starts ringing. What you do? Because your mind tells, no, okay, don't want, tomorrow onwards. So, you switch off it and go to sleep. And this doesn't happen only today, it happens daily. So, you have to kick laziness out of your mind. The next important thing is we should live in the present. Because I told you present is the hard cash. Yesterday is a cancelled check. Tomorrow will be a promissory note. Today is the hard cash. So start living in the present. Don't say I will start studying from tomorrow, from next month, from 1st of January. No. Now itself. Then don't quit. If you want, if you are tired, take some rest, take a break, but don't quit. See, many times when we do any work, we feel like quitting. We feel tired. But whatever it is, don't quit. If you are tired a lot, if you want a break, take a break, doesn't matter. Take some rest and then go ahead. Because quitting means you have lost everything. If you take a break and if you start it after some time, there are chances of winning. Now persistence. It is a must. Patience. Without patience, you can't achieve anything in this life. So, you should have patience. Whatever work you start, even if you start a shop of your own, whether if you start the shop today, tomorrow it will run like anything, is there anything like that? No. So, you have to wait. It may take some time, but there will be definite change if you are persistent, if you are good in your work, if you do the things right at the time, then definitely you won't need to look back. And when you do all these things, you are knowing you might be having people talking about you, telling you this and that, what the fellow does, where it will take him. No, don't pay any attention. Even if others tell you whatever, let them tell. It won't make any difference. But if you feel like not doing, or if you feel, yes, I can't do it, then you can't. Remember it. Let others tell anything, there won't be any difference. But if you decide and if you tell yourself that you can't do that, you are lost, then you are lost forever. So, it is in our hands to change our life, to change our future, to change our destiny. Nobody else is having the remote control. The remote of our own life is in our own hands. So use it. Have a good day.